Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. Now you are watching part 3 of the subseries creating custom performance counters. In this video, we will see what are all the objects involved in creating the custom performance counters. So in this series, we started with the performance tool and how performance tool can track a specific performance counter. Then we talked about the example which we create in the coming videos. So the first object involved is counter creation data. So this is the class in .NET, and using this counter creation data, you can tell the counter name, type, and if any description string required, you can specify that as well. So that's the first object you create here, counter creation data. So you will be creating multiple counters also when you are going to group it under a category. So for example, for CPU processor, that will be the group. Under the group, there will be category like percentage time, CPU time, and other counters related to that. So you can create multiple instances of this counter creation data. After creating that, there is one more object called counter creation data collection. So counter creation data collection contains one or more counter creation data. So we already have CCD, and once you create, you can add it to this collection. So this collection may contain multiple counters. Next, while creating the category, this counter collection can be passed. So that means here we will be making use of performance counter category dot create. We will make a call, and to this create method we will pass a counter creation data collection. The collection already has a counter creation data. So this is how we create our own performance counter. And if you want to visualize it, this is the category group that's passed here. Then under processor, if you see, there will be multiple counters that you will create here and submit it to the collection. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.